Hey all, it's your girl Evelyn with another Birchbox opening for the month of March. I thought it would be fun to do this in celebration of Women's History Month. I thought it'd be fun to do the unboxing fully in girl mode. I tried a few things different with my makeup. I didn't quite succeed the way I wanted. Got my green going on for St. Patrick's Day tomorrow. Let's see. I like their boxes. Their boxes are cool. Stuff I actually want. To-do list. I want to try, I want to read, I want to watch, I want to listen, I want to learn, I want to cook, bake, and or eat. I want to do. I feel like I want to do should be the first one. Let's see what we got. Flash! This is an instant shine mask with a lot of text on the back. Nail polish remover. Well, I won't be using this right away. I literally just put these on. Soothing hand cream. I might try this right away. Rosebud soothing hand cream enriched with shea butter. It's vegan, so you can definitely eat it and not have to worry. No paraben. I don't know what that is. No mineral oil. The botanical rose scented hand cream is enriched with shea butter. The quick drying, non-greasy formula protects, soothes, and moisturizes hands, resulting in noticeably softer, nourished hands. Let's see how noticeable this is. Smells nice. Bare Minerals. Genuine patent lip lacquer. One of the downsides of doing this in girl mode is I can't really try a lot of this stuff out. Shade availability may vary at individual retailers. Good for skin nudes, made for every skin tone. Looks cute. Pout is the name of it. And one of the great things about Birchbox is it'll ask you certain specifics when you're first signing up. Ooh. Ooh. That is cute. That's a cute color. Radiant Skin Moisturizer from Arrow. This lightweight daily moisturizer is infused with hyaluronic acid and aloe to help hydrate and soothe the skin, while light reflecting particles provide an instant blur effect and healthy looking glow. This is a very skin heavy box, which means I'll actually use it. Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream SPF. Foundation, antioxidant, moisturizer, and SPF 30 in one with light reflecting pigments. For normal dry skin types, wear over Perlice moisturizers. For extra coverage, wear under foundation. Interesting. So there you have it. For this month, for my personal Birchbox, I got Flash Instant Shine Mask, Radiant Skin Moisturizer, Illuminating BB Cream with SPF 30, Soothing Hand Cream, and Nail Polish Remover. I now have to ungirl mode so I can go meet a friend for lunch. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a very happy National Women's History Month. I mean, we should teach that in schools, shouldn't we? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you all next time. I almost forgot to tell you, I got a nude from Bare Minerals. Birchbox, please send nudes.